Welcome to SwitchMap Plugin Outlets Installation and User Guide. This installation guide will show you how to use and set up the plugin outlets. You may take a look at the description below to skip to the section you wish to learn. This product is very simple and do not require any wiring work. Ensure any appliances that will be plugged to the device is within the maximum loading. To begin, you may plug the device to a power socket. Now you are ready to join this device to your SwitchMap network. If you have not yet created a network at the premise, you will need a USB coordinator. Go here to see how you can use this device to create a network and come back after following the instructions. To join the plugin outlets to an existing network is very easy. From the USB coordinator or join device, you may press the network button once. You will see a light begins to flash indicating your network is now released and ready to accept new devices. Now, from your new plugin outlets, you will need to use a pin to hold the network set button until a light begins to flash. This indicates the device is attempting to join to the open network. Wait until your lights light up for 3 seconds to confirm join successful. If the lights flashes quickly, it indicates join unsuccessful. Joining a network requires heavy wireless communications. Sometimes it gets interrupted during the process. If this happens, you should try again. Once joined, your plugin outlets can now pair with any control devices in the same network. This video will only demonstrate pairing with wall switch and remotes. For other devices, please refer to the instruction manual. To do this, from your wall switch or remotes, double press the set button, then hold the set button until the number buttons begins to flash. Press to select a number button you wish to assign the load to. The top lights will begin to flash awaiting pairing. When successful, it will light on for 3 seconds. Now, from the plugin outlets, press the network set button to pair. Now, your pairing should be complete. Remember, each button can only control to one loading. If it is already paired, it will be replaced. At any time, you may control the plugin outlets by pressing the home button to toggle on and off. If by rare chance you feel your device is not operating normally, you may try to press the reset button or unplug and plug the device. This will allow the device to restart, rejoin network, and resume operation. If you wish to reset to clear all data and restore to factory settings, you will need to hold the network set button. Then press the reset button once while holding the network set button. The home lights will begin to flash quickly indicating the device is reset. This is the end of the instruction and user guide. Remember, you may edit your settings anytime you wish. Just follow our steps. Thank you for watching.